hello, namaskar, कैसे आहात? So, today I want to talk about what this concept of wounded healer is, right? I'll give you an example. So, I was in 10th grade and the board exams were coming up. We did not have board, we had that whole CC thing, but that's a topic for another day. And this one kid in my bus, she comes to me and she's just like, "Arey, don't worry, it's very easy, yeah. You know, don't worry, it doesn't even matter." This kid was in 6th grade, and I was just like, "Chal, तेरे को क्या पता? ये ला, आके ऐवे ही." And that is a very generic thing to do, right? You're just like, you have never given 10th grade boards. You have never, gone through this pressure. You have not studied for the higher classes. How are you coming and telling me, अरे easy है, चल रे, हो जाता है? नहीं होता. On the other hand, then there was this senior who was in 11th who had just given the boards, and she was all like, yeah, you know, these are the tips. It won't be as easy as you think, but if you're prepared, it'll be quite easy. And I was all like, huh, it makes sense. And given the fact that she's also given her boards, so it does it does uh, validate her opinion, right? And that is the same thing with the concept of a wounded healer. You cannot heal somebody. You cannot actually go and be like, dekho bhai, this is how it works and this is how it does not work, and this is what are the feelings that you're going to feel, unless you yourself have not gone through that situation, unless you yourself have not been wounded enough. So that is why the concept of a wounded healer that comes in. And it is just that, you know, you have gone through something, you have experienced something. You might not, you know, you're still not out of it, but at least there is some experience, some level of that I've been through that, right? Which can help the other person. And I believe that in a way, not in a way, I think it's very normal to say that all of us are a wounded healer, right? All of us are wounded healers for somebody. And it might not be like, okay, you know, in your case you could not really figure it out. In your case um, you could not probably, you know, deal with it or drive through in the right way, right? But in case somebody else is going through it, or in case you yourself are going through it the next time, you know what to do. You know that, okay, नहीं, this is ऐसे नहीं होता है, ये ठीक है, ये ऐसे चलता है, ऐसे नहीं होता है भाई, ये नहीं करना है वापस से, या ये करना है इस बार. So that is why I've named my channel a wounded healer. So it's some things that I have experienced, some things that I have gone through, or some things that I've very closely seen. Now you cannot apply this concept कि हाँ भाई, मतलब it's not like, oh doctor, तुम्हें कैंसर नहीं था तो how can you treat cancer, ऐसे नहीं होता. Obviously, this is more on the emotional level. Either you have experience, first hand experience, or the second hand experience. Second hand experience is something where you've seen somebody very close to you go through it. You've seen somebody very uh, you know, very dear to you feel that pain around you, right? And it's not just about pain, it's about happiness too. It's about, like, healing isn't just about like, oh, मतलब ये, you know, दर्द हो रहा है इसके लिए healing होती है ऐसे. So that is the whole concept of a wounded healer. Again, this is nothing to do with all that you know, energy healing and like reiki and numerology. No, nothing. I am not uh, an expert in that. I am not even a beginner in that. So this is just for, you know, uh, this is just for me to voice out what I think, if it helps somebody out there who is probably going through the same thing, or who can relate that हाँ भाई मैं भी इस चीज़ से गई हूँ या गया हूँ. So this is why we have the series Wounded Healer, and I really hope that it does, you know, help somebody. It does. So and again, where did I get this whole concept? There's a story. Once I was living in a co-living space before this, and there was a friend who was there, and he was talking to his mom on the phone, and he's just like, हाँ ठीक है कर लिया खा लिया, हाँ नहीं नहीं अभी मैं ऑफिस में हूँ, मैं बाद में बात करता हूँ. बट वी वर नॉट. right? We were just chilling, we were just, doing whatever. And I told him, "Nay, why did you lie? Don't lie about it." And the first instant, he was all like, "Oh, as if you've never lied in your life." And I was like, "Nay, I've lied a lot, and I've faced the consequences. That is why I'm telling you, don't lie." लाइक किसी इंसान ने लाइफ में कभी दारू नहीं पी और वो आके बोल रहा कि नहीं नहीं दारू मत पियो, you would be like, how do you know? But on the other hand, if you see somebody who is like a recovering alcoholic, who will be like, हाँ मैंने दारू पी थी, काफ़ी दारू पी थी, I lost my integrity, I lost my respect, I lost my job, I lost a couple of things, and that is why I'm coming and telling you कि भाई लिमिट में रहे, मत कर. और that's my suggestion, it's not an order. So that is exactly what I did to him. I was like, नहीं मैंने झूठ बोला है, face the consequences, and that is why I'm telling you कि मत कर. Again, वो वापस तो तेरी मर्जी है. So yeah, that is where this idea that came to my mind, like, okay, this is something that we can work with. This is something that people are only allowed to have an opinion on something, or not opinion. Also, people are, allowed to be concrete about something only when you've gone through it yourself, or you've seen it very closely. And yeah, I will be sharing one by one. Every episode is going to have a theme. The next episode probably is going to be about attachment styles, something that I've been reading about, and I hope you guys also read about it before the next episode. And I shall see you later. Bye.